Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about a very common issue with many of us. We have seen many of our friends or family members or relatives are into this particular behavior that is called OCD. The full form of OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे जो हमारे आसपास के लोग हैं, कई सारे हमारे फ्रेंड्स में बी सम ऑफ आवर रिलेटिव्स ऑल्सो, मे बी सम गुड फ्रेंड्स ऑफ अस, दे हैव that attitude or behavior, rather I would say behavior of doing something in a repetitive way. Like कुछ अगर clean कर रही है, they are going in a repetitive behavior, they're cleaning that thing in a very rigorous process. Like उनको उनके माइंड में चलता रहता है that there are some germs, there may be some germs, there may be some infection that will cause due to this. So in that way they used to repeat the things in a वेरी शॉर्ट इंटरवल. हाँ, जैसे कि उनको लगता है लाइक फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल लिफ्ट में कहीं जा रहे हैं, वी यूज़ टू यूज़ लिफ्ट्स वेरी फ्रिक्वेंटली नाउ-ए-डेज. सो द पीपल हैविंग OCD, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर, they have a tendency to clean everything, to make everything like germ free. They have something in their mind that is going on, like इससे हो सकता है इन्फेक्शन हो रहा है, इससे कुछ हो रहा है, like in that way. So this is a very critical situation for the person actually. ना चाहते हुए भी they are into that particular behavioral circle, I would say. वो जो घूमता रहता है, like in that way, vicious circle you can say. So उससे the mental pressure they go through is immense. Okay, how? Like that things, the things which they perform in a regular, on a repetitive manner, somewhere they sometime nahi, I would say definitely they get to be stressed out, or like in a negative mindset में थोड़ा सा हो जाता है. And they have in that particular region of mind where they are getting this message that you have to clean that, you have to put these things in a proper way. So we should try to help them to get out from that particular behavior. How we can do that? So ये जो OCD behavior जिनके भी होते हैं, obsessive compulsive disorder जिनके भी होते हैं, that is not easy to deal with. जिनके भी होते हैं, those who are going under this particular behavioral issue, उनमें क्या होता है, ना चाहते हुए भी वो उस काम को करते रहते हैं. So as a friend, as a well-wisher, we should try to help them to get rid of that particular behavior. How we can help? जैसे बहुत सारे behavioral therapies होती हैं, उनमें से एक बहुत ही जो common and famous है, that is cognitive behavioral therapy. So that CBT, in short form it is known as CBT. So we can suggest them to go for CBT therapy so that they can get rid of that particular behavior that is affecting their mental health also. Due to OCD, mental health also becomes a bit you can say at risk. ठीक है. So as a friend, as a family member, if we have seen someone under this particular OCD behavioral issue, so we should suggest them for some therapies, और हम खुद भी उनको थोड़ा सा समझा सकते हैं so that they can live a healthy, happy life. Thank you. Namaskar.